That's awesome.
Show it off.
Come show. It's 0.5.
MrBeast is engaged. The YouTube star, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, announced on Wednesday that he asked influencer Thea Booysen to marry him. He shared an image of him on One Knee on Instagram and wrote, "Your boy did a thing." She also shared a video on her Instagram after the proposal.
That's awesome.
Show it off.
Come show. It's 0.5. Alfie!
Oh, Alfie, what do you think of it? Show Alfie.
Aww. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thea was previously on the Wide Awake podcast, where she opened up about how she and MrBeast met.
I knew of MrBeast. I knew the great things he was doing, but I was also from a psychological perspective curious, like, are these people playing it up? Do they have an alter ego? Are they down to earth? Like, I really wanted to meet him in person and see. So I got there and he was super nice, very down to earth. And he started asking me a lot of questions. Little did I know he was actually like going off a list, because he was like looking for a new girlfriend potentially. And he had this whole list. He's like, she has to have a hobby. She has to have some interest. She has to do this and that. And I just thought we were having the best conversation ever. We were talking about my book, neuroscience, and the fact that he could keep up with the conversation to me was very attractive, because you have to have a certain amount of interest and intellect to want to talk about these things. I thought I was boring him. But anyway, I got home and I got a DM from him and asking me if I can tell him more about my book. So obviously we started talking on Twitter, and he decided to come back a second time to South Africa, this time to visit me instead.